My name is Cody Flowers. I'm the Director of Operations at May Group USA in Fort Worth, Texas. May Group is a custom manufacturing and screen printing company. We make illuminated signs, metal signs for many industries throughout the U.S. Without M1, we would still be running around looking for information. After M1, we were able to track our jobs, our purchasing, our invoicing, all within a few clicks of a mouse within the same data system. In the past, it was impossible to track down information that you needed. It was impossible to find old legacy data. It was kept on spreadsheets, or it was kept in a folder on a drive somewhere that only one person knew where it was. But now we have all of the data at our fingertips at a moment's need. It allows us to staff our departments and our work centers appropriately. It allows us to ensure that we get our materials in on time according to production schedule. I would recommend M1 to any manufacturer that's looking to increase their throughput, centralize their information, get themselves into a situation where they have the ability to make decisions on the fly and not rely on people to always put in data right into a spreadsheet. This is definitely beneficial for our business to be partnered with M1.